Hi! In this tutorial, we will show how to control both the U and V direction of your panels using two curve projections. In this example, we would like the horizontal panels to follow the X direction and the vertical ones to follow the Z direction. The first step is to draw two lines in the X and Z directions that are long enough to cover the poly surface once projected. Also draw a line to indicate the projection direction. The next step is to run PT-Grid Curve 2 command, which is the two-direction curve projections, and select your poly surface, your U and V direction curves. The command options allow you to set extrusion and projection directions, as well as the spacing and number of curves in each direction. Oftentimes, the extrusion direction and the projection direction default to a direction that is not in the desired direction of the curves. So make sure you set those in order to be able to get the right preview. Once you're happy with the preview, press Enter to accept. Once the grid is generated, you can use any paneling command to create the panels. For example, you can use PT Panel Grid and use the built-in box pattern and output as curves. Let's select the curves and isolate to work with them. You can use any Rhino command, such as multi-pipe command, to help you quickly visualize the panels with thickness. You can use any display mode, render display in this case, to visualize the output. You can zoom in and also switch to the front view to see how the horizontal and vertical projections look from the front. Thank you.